After this morning hunt, we decided to get into this hide. Excellent hide, nice view, a lot of animals coming in and out. We've been there since 11:15 this morning, and we're going to try out the 44 caliber Buffalo Brassframe with a 12-inch barrel and see what we can hunt with it. Been in the hide now for 2 hours. There was quite a few animals coming in. We saw little hawks, a few hawks coming in, unfortunately a little bit small. At this moment there's a whole herd of blue wildebeest that are drinking, but we decided against hunting it with the 44 Buffalo Brassframe. We do want to take something down with the revolver, black powder, and we decided to wait for some impalas to come in to make sure that the results is good before we take on such a big animal as a blue wildebeest with the revolver. Guys, they're in. There's 2 of them. Okay, get ready. Kampong. Blijf het slijp. Kampong. Make sure. Pot shot. You got him. You got him good. That's an excellent shot, Barend. He won't go far. No, he won't go far, my friend. That's for sure.
Buffalo, waarmee heb je geschiet? Ik heb met de Buffalo Brassframe Revolver. .44 Caliber. Paragraphs aan de X. Dat is incredible real hunting. Great. Voel jij hoe die squid? Onzeker, maar laten we gaan kijken. Dat was goed. Dat heeft mij goed gelijk. Het was klaar goed gelijk hoor. Ja, verzeker. Positief. Great stuff. Hoe voel jij? Barend, hoe voel je oor hierdie ding?
Het steekt hoor.
Wat heb jy gesien?
Oppe.
Waarmee het jy geskiet daar?
Dis die Buffalo Brassframe. Dis die Buffalo Brassframe .44 kaliber. 30 grain Sanadex. Gaan vir die blad en ja, dit steek op die toppe.
James, this is an excellent shot. On the shoulder. Entrance wound, what's it like, shoal? Is there any exit wound on the other side? Let's have a look and see what this revolver does with this impala. Wow, wow, gents, right through. I'm telling you, we could have taken those blue wildebeest this morning. We would have just the same effect on this thing. Great stuff, guys, great stuff.
Vir my.
Ek is Barend Botha. Ek is Shaal van Kleef. En dit is incredible real hunting.
Great stuff boys, ek dink dit was 'n pykskoot. Dit was wonderlik. Entry wound, daar sit hy, duidelik. Wat se kaliber skiet ons mee hierso?
Dis 'n .44 kaliber, Buffalo Brassframe 12 duim en so 30 grain Sanadex. Gewone .44 roundball.
Wat se versier gebruik jy daar? Wat se scope praat ons van?
Wat se site is hierdie? Ek doen heel pos. Kom ek stop draai werk. Blaze and trigger.
Okay, I think let's get back into the hide, and Shaal wants to take a impala for his bow. There's still 2.5 hours left of this day, and let's see, the day is productive, and let's go for it. Let's keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully something will come into the drinking. See if we can take it.